Jeremy. Grew up in Cleveland. Been down here about 6 years now in Florida. I do commercial real estate. So you got a 16 by 40 by 15 foot high sidewalls, and then I put 13.6 garage doors on. Yeah, I mean, I was exploring all different kinds of options to put my boat in. So went to an architect here locally, went through that, pricing, everything else, then decided that not really what I wanted to do. I want to do a little more economical. So started looking at buildings, looked at all the different manufacturers out there, and came to VersaTube and realized that just a superior product in terms of the 2x4 metal trusses and framing and everything else compared to some of the other stuff that was out there, and that they could build to 150 wind load, which is what I needed here in Florida. So good experience to do it online. And you can move the doors, move your make your garage doors as wide as you want, move your side door wherever you want. It was intuitive, for somebody. I'm not a construction guy, so it made it fairly easy. There's a lot of people coming by, a lot of people stopping. Where'd you get the building? Oh my gosh, I wish I could do one like that. How much you pay for it? Where'd you get it? And then, once we finally got done, there's been nothing but compliments about how it ended up coming out. So, yeah, people like it. I think it's definitely going to help when I go to sell the house down the road too.